Candy candy.
Candy Candy is an anime series that chronicles the life of Candace Candy White, an orphan girl abandoned near a children's home. The story follows her adventures and misadventures, from her childhood in the orphanage to her adult life, marked by love, loss, and the search for her place in the world. The series begins with Candy being found along with another baby, Annie, near Pony's home, an orphanage run by Miss Pony and Sister Maria. Candy grows up happy in the home, but her life changes when she is adopted by the Ligon family, who treat her as a servant. Despite the difficulties, Candy maintains her optimistic spirit and finds support in her friends, such as Anthony, Archie, Steer, and Albert. Candy is sent to study at a prestigious school, where she meets Terrence, Terry Grantchester, a rebellious young man with whom she shares a deep love. However, their relationship is threatened by external circumstances, including Terry's engagement to Susanna Marlowe. The series explores themes such as friendship, love, loss, and the pursuit of happiness. Candy faces constant challenges, including war, illness, and betrayal, but always recovers thanks to her inner strength and the people around her. Eventually, Candy returns to Pony's home and meets Albert, who turns out to be the Prince of the Hill, who had inspired her in her childhood. The story ends with Candy accepting her past and looking to the future, leaving open the possibility of a romance with Albert. Although the final decision is left to the viewer's discretion. The end.